Now I need y'all to understand something. When she said I brought a friend, I assumed it was gonna be an upgrade. She walked in looking like a 10. Then the sister came in behind her, looking like a 2 that had been in a fight with a 3 and lost.
You still did it.
I was already undressed. The momentum was strong. She brought a sister.
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 And I took one for the team, but the team was just me. I tried to keep the lights off. She turned every single one on. I tried to close my eyes. She kept saying, "Look at me, velvet." I looked. I immediately regretted looking.
Describe her.
She had the face of a man who just found out his truck got repossessed.
She brought a sister.
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 I closed my eyes and thought about the first one.
She brought her sister.
At one point I whispered, "This feels a little gay." She said, "What did you say?" I said, "You're doing great, baby. I'm a professional.
You're a coward.
I'm a survivor." I finished out of pure self-defense. I finished so it would end. I finished like a man putting out a fire with the only water he had left.
That's the saddest thing you've ever said.
And yet, I still finished first.
She brought a sister.
She brought a sister.
She brought her sister.
She brought a sister.
She brought a sister.
And I took one for the team,
But the team was just me. She brought a sister.
Next time, I'm checking the guest list.
There better not be a next time.
There's always a next time. I'm just bringing a blindfold.